I'm here at MWC Barcelona with Arun Bhikshesvaran, CEO of Radisys Corporation. Thank you very much for joining us.
Great to be here, Chris.
So what are the main opportunities you're focusing on this year?
Yeah, so Radisys has always been known for open and disaggregated networks. And this year, that is a key theme that we're focusing on for broadband networks and for mobility as well. So in the area of broadband networks, what we're going to be demonstrating is how our disaggregated platform is being instrumental in rolling out FTTX networks around the world. So we've got 3 different projects that we're going to be talking about, and how we have built an open platform that is truly, scalable in many ways, but has tremendous flexibility in terms of what services it can offer. On the mobility side, the 5G platform that we have is truly multi-platform in nature. So our software is going to be demonstrated across multiple silicon vendors, and that basically provides the basis for disaggregation. And one other thing we're going to be doing is also demonstrating it on a public cloud network. So kind of taking RAN into the cloud native format and really bringing it to life. And the third area is going to be about programmable, services, programmable networks, and really delivering quite advanced communication experiences that take it into an interactive format. And that is something that I am personally very excited about, because communications has been kind of boring for many years. So we want to kind of give it a kickstart and get it into a new generation.
Following the acquisition of Mimosa, what synergies do you see between the two?
Absolutely. So the Mimosa opportunity is fantastic for us, because what we are seeing is a expansion of broadband availability for people, and you start to address many different geographies, many different demographics, etc. And the cost of delivering broadband then becomes very important. So what Mimosa is allowing us to do is to actually deliver on a strategy that we call as multi-access broadband. So you got fiber as far as it can go in an economical fashion, and then you can add on a Mimosa component to it that is basically working on unlicensed spectrum for more access perspective. And when you combine the two, it becomes very attractive to deliver services for as many people as possible. And we're also using it to, with a customer in Asia, we're using it for mass deployment. Where time to market is very important, and then the time to dig and trench and lay fiber starts to become quite long in certain environments, dense urban environments, etc. So you can go for a rapid deployment using the Mimosa technology. So from our overall broadband strategy, it's very important for us. So we see a lot of good synergies. A lot of customers come to us, they want to talk about both fixed and fixed wireless access and how we can combine things together.
And I know we're running out of time, so very quickly, here at MWC Barcelona, what are you showcasing and what are you looking forward to? Absolutely.
So on the mobility side, we have a very exciting demo that we're doing together with our partners, with a customer, Dense Air Networks, and a new silicon vendor called EdgeQ. We are demonstrating how a new RAN is going to be built, a new 5G RAN is going to be built that is running on a public cloud network. And we are super excited about this partnership. We're going to have a fireside chat in our booth about this whole thing. And this is going to go out as a neutral host service shortly. So that is something that is new for the industry. Other than that, we always work with our partners Qualcomm and Intel. We're doing a number of demonstrations with them for CBRS spectrum, for small cells, etc. So lots of exciting things happening in the broadband space and in the mobility space. So programmability, new communication experiences, and then expanding broadband for all. Those are the things that I'm looking forward to.
Sounds good. Thank you very much for joining us today.
Great to be here. Thank you very much, Chris.